Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, I want to talk about how to activate the follow button. For those that have, switched on to professional mode on Facebook and they really want more followers. And instead of getting more followers, they end up getting lots of friend requests. And they are like, why am I getting friend requests instead of more followers? So there's a particular button I want to show you. You click on it and you'll be getting more followers. You'll not be seeing friend requests anymore. So I want you to stay with me to the end of the video so that you learn something new for yourself. Okay? So if you are new to the channel, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel because I bring a lot of amazing tutorials on this channel on how to make money online, how to make money on social media, and how to make money in cryptocurrency as well, especially airdrops, futures trading, and a whole lot of aspect of crypto. Okay, so stay with me to the end of the video so that you learn something new for yourself. So give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's dive right into the video without wasting your time, guys. Alright guys, so there are a few things I want to show you in this particular video. Okay, so for those that are content creators on Facebook, I want to show you how to turn on the follow button. Okay, if you're already on professional mode, if you have profile or is a page that you have, whichever one, I want to quickly direct you on how you can turn on the follow button so that wherever you have a comment or they see your profile or they see your Facebook handle, you see that follow button, so that such a way that they will just click on the follow button and they will start following you. Instead of seeing add friend, they will see follow. So that is what I want to show you in this particular video. Okay, let's dive right into it. So I'll scroll like this. This is my Facebook account. Okay, so I'm going to click on here. If you can see this place, these three dashes here, I'll click on these three dashes. Then I come here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down, and you see settings and privacy. I'll click on that. Then under settings and privacy, you see settings. Under it, look at settings here. Then I click on it. Watch. Then I scroll down. I'm still scrolling down. Then you see audience and visibility. You see that under this audience and visibility, you are going to see where they wrote followers and public content. So I'll click on that. Then look at this first one here, followers and public content. Then the one under it is who can follow me. You click on it. You see my own now that is showing public. You come here and put your own as public, then click on save. Look at save down here. Click on save. You see that? Then the next thing is who can see your followers on your timeline. This one I left it as what? Public. Then the next one under it here, who can see the people, pages and lists that you follow. This one I set it as only me. I set it as what? Only me. Look at it, only me. That's why if you go to some people's profile, to show that they are not following anybody, to show 0 following. You understand? This is how to set that particular one. How many things have I shown you now? 1, how to turn on that follow button. That is, anybody at all that sees you, you will be able to see that follow button, whether in comment section or anywhere they see your handle. They will see that follow button and they'll click on it to follow you. Then the second thing I'm showing you here is that particular place where if you go to your profile, you see your number of followers, then the number of people you are following. If you want that place to be showing 0, like if you don't want people to know the number of people you are following, you can select this one I'm showing you now, this one that is showing only me. You understand? Who can see the people, pages, lists and lists that you follow. Select this one as only me. It will be showing zero. Nobody will know how many people you are following. It's only you that will be seeing it. Okay, so that is basically it for that one. Then I'm going to go back now. Okay, then the next one says, who can comment on your public post? You say public. You see this one, I selected public. Public post notification, public. Okay, so just like that. Off Facebook previews. Okay, show most relevant comment first. All right, block filter. All right, so I'll go back. Okay, I'll go back, then I'll show you something else. I want to show you something now. Under your professional dashboard, professional, go to your profile. If you go to your profile, you see this place a row professional dashboard. Professional dashboard, click on it. If you click on professional dashboard, it will bring you here. Okay, it will bring you here. Then you see this place, weekly progress. Continue your weekly progress. That is where I want to show you something now. So this weekly progress, this is where you track your performance, what you are expected to do in the week. Okay, what you're expected to do. Here they're expecting me to upload 15 new reels. Then here they're expecting me to upload story every single day for 7 days, that is this week. Then here they're expecting me to get 50 new followers, and here they're expecting me to make up to 15 posts this week. It's only if I've done 47% already, it's remaining 53%. Okay, and today is Tuesday. Okay, as at the time I'm recording this video, today is Tuesday. Okay, this is Tuesday. Okay, so these are the things. Look at this now. This is say continue growing your profile with insights. They say today your engagement increased by 96. You see that is an addition. You see that. Then the next thing here is respond to 3 comments. Then this one is closed captions are ready for review. Videos that you uploaded, they want you to actually put caption, caption, type what you are saying in the video, so that people that are viewing will be able to see it come out as the video is playing. You'll be able to do that. Then you scroll down and you are going to see this engagement 48% upwards, that is green. I'm on the what's it called, on growth pattern. It's on the positive side. Okay, it's on upward trend. Then this is engagement. Then this is monetization tools. Okay, so where you need to look at is this insights. Look at this. This is insight. You look at this. Previous 28 days, 26,000 views. Last 28 days, 29,000 views, just like that. So this is where you'll be able to know what you are supposed to do next. Look at what they are saying here. Say you are on fire. Well done, exceeding your goals. Keep up the good work. So you see that, guys. So that is basically it. Those are the major things to look out for on your page as a new content creator on Facebook. Okay, so that is number 1, how to turn on the follow button. Number 2, how to keep the people you are following private, that is only you will be seeing the number of people you are following. And number 3, I've shown you how to follow your weekly challenge. And lastly, I've shown you how to follow up, things to look out for on your professional dashboard. So that is it, guys. If you have question arising from this video, quickly go to the comment section and ask your question, and I'll be more than excited to answer you. Then subscribe to the channel. Okay, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, a like, and share this video so that others will learn as well. Give the video a thumbs up and share the video, please. Thank you very much. Subscribe, click on the subscribe button so that when I post another video, you'll be notified that I've posted another video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.